Hello friends, Namaskaram. I am Vidya from Mumbai. Today my topic is how coronavirus attacks our system and why it is so dangerous. By now, all of you must be knowing that this disease is caused by infection, that is because of the droplets. So, wearing a mask and keeping a safe distance from one another is very essential. Now, let us come to the topic. This coronavirus has a circular structure with spikes projecting from all around. These spikes are the spike proteins, which is the main culprit because it is with the help of these spikes these viruses enter our system. Just inside the circular structure is the genetic material, that is the RNA. The virus can only enter our system through the lungs because the cells of the lungs are very sensitive. Once the virus enter our body, it tries to enter the lungs through the cell membrane. But the cell membrane being semi-permeable, it allows only proteins and vitamins through it. So it enters through the other opening of the cell called receptors with the help of its spike proteins. These receptors actually pull the virus inside and this is very dangerous. Once the virus enters the cells of the lungs, it gives its genetic information to the cell and its RNA matches with our DNA. The virus then takes the information of the location of the ribosome from the nucleus. The function of ribosome is to multiply the protein. Now, this virus replaces its genetic material with the protein. Thus, the ribosome, instead of multiplying the protein, start multiplying the genetic material of the coronavirus. And within a very short time, billions of coronaviruses are produced in the lungs. The whole lungs now is filled with the coronaviruses. This is called replication. At this, the immune system gets confused, but soon smells some problem and start fighting the virus. When all this is happening, we are not aware of anything, but as the defense mechanism functions, it increases the temperature to kill the foreign viruses. This is how we get fever and the other symptoms. With the increased temperature, it can kill only some ordinary viruses, but the coronaviruses be much stronger, doesn't get neutralized. There is a clear message from the nucleus to create antibodies and somehow stop the entry of the viruses. The nucleus also sends the message to the immune system not to destroy the receptors through which the virus enters because medicines and the other requirements of the cells enters through these receptors. Now, as the antibodies are created by the immune system, the antibody sticks to the mouth of the spike proteins. There, by locking the spike proteins of the viruses, this is how the disease is cured. Here, one thing you have to remember is that there are billions of viruses. Therefore, antibodies should also be produced in a very large numbers. Only then it can lock the spike proteins of all the viruses. So, now understand that how important is our immunity. So, to improve your immunity, you can go back to my previous videos in which I have explained everything about improving your immunity. I will be back soon with some other health tips. Till then, bye.